So I just got this piece from Stosense, and in this video I'm going to go over some of my favorite features of this end table or nightstand. So the first thing I love about it is the amount of storage you get. You're going to get one drawer on top that slides out, and right below it you're going to get a larger drawer that you can store a lot more things as it is pretty deep. Second thing I love is it's a full-blown charging station. So you can have two full outlets, a USB-C port, and just a standard USB port. So you can charge all of your devices at once. You can have your cell phone plugged in, your phone charging, your iPad, whatever you need to make sure you have all your devices charged and right by your side. Now the lights underneath are completely optional, but it is a nice touch and it does kind of act as a night light, which I really like. They give you remote control to control them. You can go different colors, different brightness, put on timers, whatever you need to do. So overall, this end table or nightstand, whatever you want to call it, is an awesome piece of furniture. I love the mosaic design and I love all the different features on it. So I'm a happy customer. I give it 2 thumbs up.